Alright, so I'm just going to do a bit of a test here just to show you that that horizontal leveling on the GoPro Max is pretty cool. So there it is there. It's in GoPro mode, and I'll show you. So waving it from side to side, and then I'll spin it around. See how that goes. Rightio, so I'm out here with my GoPro 360 Max, and I've got it in GoPro mode, and I'm just going to test out the horizontal leveling. That way you can see it for yourself. There it is in GoPro mode. So I'll just wave it around a little bit. Spin it upside down and around a couple of times. See how that turns out, eh?